You ready? Wow, welcome to the channel, everybody. I never imagined getting that much traffic from the video tour, but I'm glad that you guys all came, and hopefully we can continue to put out some interesting content for you. I'm Brian. This is Roger, and we're currently traveling across the country in Moby the Big White Truck. I do have a video that should be going live shortly. That is a 1 month update to kind of talk about how the truck's held up with the abuse from the National Forest roads that we've been on. And I'm looking at making a video talking about traveling with a kitty cat, as well as my solar powered air conditioner setup. So if those things are interesting to you, stay tuned. If you've got something else you'd like to know more about, leave a comment below. And then also below or sideways or somewhere in the doodly-doo, there is a link to my blog, and if you're doing a conversion, check that out. I've got some in-depth write-ups on the windows, the countertop, the solar, the bathroom, the bed lift, and some other features of the truck. And hopefully that'll be useful to you. Otherwise, welcome to the channel, guys.